Hello, welcome. If you are new here, thanks for joining me, and welcome back if you've been here for a while. I appreciate you all. So my Ipsy went up today. I recorded it yesterday. This is my daughter's Ipsy. It was canceled. I don't know, maybe I just canceled it too late, but I figured I'd go ahead and jump on and open this up for you because it is a different bag than I've actually seen unboxed or unbagged. So I figured I would just share it real quick, and I will put this up today just so both Ipsies are up on the same day. But her bag is orange. Isn't that cool? I've seen purple. I've seen, what was the other color I just saw yesterday? Red, I think. I've seen green, which is the one that I have. I've seen purple and I've seen red, and now an orange. So I thought that that was super neat. And for those of you that don't remember, my daughter is 21. Her profile says that she is, you know, an expert at makeup or whatever that level is, and she would like her bags to be makeup heavy. The lighting here is really bad today, so I apologize for the shadows you are seeing, but there's nothing I can do about it. I actually have extra lights on and it doesn't seem to be helping, but I don't know. This weather is not a very June weather for Ohio, so I'm kind of disappointed in Ohio right now. So anyway, so we have the bag, and Ipsy is $10 a month. And so she has the little orange Tetris-y thing here, and it says Ipsy on one side, Tetris on the other. And I open it up. Oh wow, this is definitely different. Okay, so welcome to the block party, and on the inside of this it tells you the products, but it doesn't give prices. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a perfume sample. I don't think I've ever seen a perfume sample in Ipsy. That is interesting. Oh wait, I actually just saw somebody unbox it. I don't remember who it was, but I think it was their mother's bag that they were unbagging, and they got this perfume sample. And it is a really large perfume sample. So that is cool. The next thing I am pulling out here is Tetris Ipsy lip gloss. And this is a full-size lip gloss. That's cool. The lid is blue and it's just kind of glittery. So I'm going to set this to the side because that will probably be passed along to someone. It'll go in a giveaway or what have you. And the next thing I'm pulling out here is a full-sized nail polish from Trust Fund Beauty. Let's see. The color is, I don't know if you can see that, mermaid vibes. So let's open this up. I know that Trust Fund Beauty is a really good, ooh. Well, I was gonna say I would put this in a giveaway, but that is pretty. I don't know if it's reflecting on camera or not, but it is like an iridescent purple. And it looks like it has glitter in it. That is really pretty. And the next thing I am pulling out is a brush. And again, I'm gonna leave this in the packaging because it is, it's an all over shadow brush, but I will probably be putting that away or giving it to somebody. There it is. And then also the Tarte foundation. I got this last month, I believe. So, and I'm pretty sure that that is my color. So I will just keep that. I'm throwing things all over the place. So that is the Ipsy. a nail polish, a lip gloss, a perfume, a brush, and a foundation. So, I mean, overall, I think that was a good bag. I really like the orange. You know, I wasn't digging too much when I saw the purple. When I saw the red, I thought the red was cute, and I really liked the green bag, but I like this color bag too. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.